So, today on this arcade machine, I'm going to try to beat 97 to 100. That way I can just keep swimming. I won't get, I'm getting locked in right now. Because in some time, I'll accidentally hit the lead. Because, yeah, I reached 97 on the score. So let's try to beat that. You know you got that. Second try. Third try. I know you can do better. Uh-oh. I just accidentally reached the top. I know you can do better than me. I'm trying to keep swimming. I'm getting better. My try is good now. Got it now. I just needed to left and go back in the game. That was the hardest one in my entire life. I had to just keep swimming. Bye, guys.